So these over here at the top are either called Fanlights or Toplights. The light is a term used for a window that lets in light. On these particular Fanlights or Toplights, you see that they have cottage bars. The reason we have that is so that it looks like a traditional window. And as you can see, they represent 4 smaller panes of glass, which actually are not 4 smaller panes of glass anymore. That is actually one full sealed unit. And it's made to look like it's 4 separate panes of glass. Now, the reason we do that is so that it looks like a traditional window. Now, traditionally, it was very difficult to make larger panes of glass. So they would make smaller panes of glass separated out by cottage bar. And that's why we have them. And that gives it the traditional look. Okay, so basically what you have is you have the cottage bar on the outside, then you have the glass, then you have the spacer bar in between that pane of glass and the next pane of glass, and then you have the internal part of the cottage bar. So it's quite a construction, also that it looks like a traditional fanlight. So that's what a fanlight is.